Ew, my new apartment looks awful. So gross. Ugh. What the?
Hi, neighbor.
Ugh. Who are you?
I'm your new roommate. And I think this place needs a makeover. Boom!
You're not half bad with that bat of yours.
And one last thing.
I'll just divide.
No, I'll do it with my tape.
Hey, let me. You stay on that side of the tape.
You too. I guess this will work.
My side looks so sad now. Oh, hey! Oh, sorry. Is this the pool? No, it's not the pool, man. Huh? Give me those and get out of here. This is my room. And I just wanted to swim. Good thing I'm not afraid of heights. Now to decorate. These pool noodles are perfect. I'm strong enough to handle this. Oh, come on, you. Third time lucky. A little more. So close. You put up a good fight, pool noodle. With some two-sided tape, I can stick it to the wall. That's just step one. Now for some orange. And a few more colors. Oh, I made a rainbow. Oh, clouds. Great. This is how Batman does it. Looking good. Whoa. Whoa. This is too cool to share it with Harley. And now for the final touch, LED lights. I'll add a strip between each color. This is going to be so lit. You did it again, Batman. Whoa, he turned out so good.
There. Oh! Why is it on my side? Better move it before someone gets hurt.
Ugh, my head. Harley, why did you do that?
Oh! Oopsie. Let's move this. Wow, what beautiful lighting he's made. You could use an upgrade. My side should be bright too. Now the fun part is starting with pink paint, of course. I'll create a cool frame. Oh, this will look amazing. A little bit here. Don't forget the top. What else can I add? Yes! These LED lights are just what I need. Batman left it on my side. Should I ask first? Nah, they were on my side of the room after all. Come to Harley. Now to attach them to the edge with glue. And then some pink mesh. Oh, and then one last thing. Me. Time for makeover magic. Much better. What's going on? This is way too spooky. Oh no, is this a Pennywise balloon? What?
Haha, scared ya?
That will not impress me. It's a silly toy. Get it out of here.
Oh yeah? I will show you. Let's do this. Black makes everything better. This will look so cool. Hold on. Now that's a side table. Wow. Still think it's a silly toy.
I need more brightness. I know how to fix this. Meet Harley the artist. A little paint is all I need. I'll spawn it on for a cool effect. It will look like an evening sky. Wow! So pretty. Clouds. They're so easy to make. Just draw a line and paint circles above it. Oh, it was easy. Oh, that's a bit of a mess. Do I have to clean it? I'll make this every girl's pink dream. Let's get started. I know what to do. It's a room fit for a princess. I won't need it anymore.
What? But now I have to take out all this trash. Oh, not fair. It's for plastic. This is the last one. Ooh. Huh? Free tire. Cool. Huh? Gotta run. Where's my tire? Huh? It's finders keepers. I'll get you. Ooh. Now I really need to sit. I have an idea. I'll make a chair out of it. First, a line of glue. I'll need a lot to make it stick. And then some rope. Just press it into the glue. And repeat until the tire is covered. Ew! I'm covered in gooey glue. Ugh. Okay, now for the soft bit. I need a round piece of wood, foam layer, and fabric. And my trusty staple gun. This will hold the fabric in place. Last touch. Buttons complete the look. You'd never know that was a tire. Time to test it out. Yep, so comfy.
All I have is this cheap can. It's not comfy at all. Wait, I have an idea. And I don't need you anymore. Oh, Superman. You inspired me. I just need your cape. And I don't even need to cut it. I'll gather together one end first. And tie it with a rope. Better make it good and tight. Now to hook this end to the wall. And this end. Oh! It's not long enough. I need to put this end somewhere. Think, Harley, think.
Hey there, is this the gym?
You are just in time to try the new machine.
Yes, I feel the burn!
Nice. This will rock me to sleep. Just 3,000 reps to go. Oh, Superman's rose is already starting to wilt. I know what to do with you. Time for Harley's craft corner. I don't need you yet. I'll start by mixing the alginate powder with water and stir it in good. Before it becomes solid, it will make a mold of my flower. Oh, it feels so slimy, but it'll be worth it. It's ready. Pull out my hand and the flour. Oh, and then I'll add the casting stone. A few bumps will remove any air bubbles. And now I wait. I hope it turned out. It's like an unboxing video. So fun! Wow! I think it worked.
Snack time!
It's the best thing I've ever made.
Nah, don't eat this anymore.
I did it! Wow! I know just where to put you.
Harley, are you okay?
It's broken.
Man, those heels. Okay, let me help you.
Why me?
Let me just...
Oh, you don't come in my side. What were you thinking?
Okay, I was just trying to help. I'll just sit in my comfy chair. Look, the chips are on my side.
Good. No! Time for lunch. What happened here? What am I gonna do now? I can iron out this problem. What else do I need? I'll need aluminum tin foil. Then add my first piece of bread. Lettuce. Cheese. The stinkier the better. A few more veggies. And a whole lot of mustard. Yum! Add the top slice and wrap in the foil. This is where the iron comes in. A few blasts of steam and then press. Ta-da! A toasted sandwich without a toaster. Ooey gooey goodness! It's a Harley special. I'm so proud of myself.
Not so fast. Where are you going? Give me that. Is that junk food? Here's a carrot instead.
But Dad!
The lunchbox. Give me that sandwich.